Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Finch account step by step. Finch is a mental wellness and self-care app designed to help users build healthy habits and improve their overall well-being. The app features a virtual pet bird that grows and thrives as you complete self-care activities such as mood tracking, journaling and mindfulness exercise. So first, once you have downloaded and installed the Finch app on your iPhone, the next step is to create a Finch account. So first you need to look into the Finch app on your iPhone and tap to open it. Over here, you'll see in a welcome screen introducing the app's feature here. What you can do is select hatch a new pet. Over here, you can choose your Finch egg and you have the color, and after you're done, select hatch egg again on the bottom. Over here, you can simply type down your phone number and select next, but if you want to skip it, you can skip in the top right. You are also required to select your pronouns and simply go next again. You can also type down your nickname for your baby bird, and after that keep on choosing it as per your preference over here and go next. So over here, you are required to set up for your personal experience as well, and simply tap every experience and it will lead you to the next again. And this is it. This is how you can sign up to your Finch app. And that is it. Your Finch account is now ready and you can start tracking your mood, journaling and completing self-care activities with your virtual pet. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.